Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will clear one of the most common grammar confusions, adjectives versus adverbs. Many students get confused between these two, but in this video I will explain the rules, show you examples, clear common mistakes and even give you practice questions also. So stay till the end. Before after today you will never be confused again. Let's start with adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It answers questions like which one, what kind, how many. For examples, she is a beautiful girl. I have 3 pens. This is an interesting book. In all these, the adjective is describing the noun girl, pens, book. Adjectives usually come before nouns or after linking verb like is, am, are, look, seem, feel, etc. For example, the sky is blue. Here, blue is an adjective after the verb is. Okay, now let's talk about adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective or another adverb. It answers questions like how, when, where, to what extent, etc. For examples, she sings beautifully. He runs fast. The movie was very interesting. She spoke too quickly. So many adverbs end in ly like beautifully, quickly, but not all. Words like fast, well, hard are also adverbs. She is a beautiful girl. The noun is girl. What kind of girl? Beautiful. So beautiful is an adjective. She sings beautifully. The verb is sings. How does she sing? Beautifully. That means beautifully is an adverb. He is a good singer versus he sings well. In the first sentence, good describes singer, adjective. In the second, well describes sings, adverb. Okay. The sky is blue. After linking verb like is, seem, look, we use adjectives. So we say like the sky is blue, not bluely. He works hard versus he hardly works. Hard equal to adverb meaning with effort, but hardly adverb meaning. Almost not at all, big difference in meaning. I arrived late versus I have been busy lately. Both are adverbs. Late means not on time. Here lately means recently. Let's quickly clear some common mistakes students make. Now here's are the golden formula to remember. Adjective, noun or pronoun, adverb, verb, adjective, adverb. Okay? Let's practice together, fill in the blanks. Ria is a day's driver. Here careful, adjective for driver. He runs very fast means it is adverb for runs. She looks tired. Here adjective after linking verb. They completed the work hardly. They completed the work hard. With effort but hardly different meaning. So friend, let's recap. Adjective describes noun or pronoun. Adverb describes verb, adjectives or other adverb. Watch out for confusion pairs like good versus well, hard versus hardly, late versus lately, and also remember the golden formula. If this video helped you, please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons. Also comment below with your own sentences using adjectives and adverb. I will check and correct them for you. See you in the